cover 100 regions. Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asian, Indonesian. Spitting on beats and using similes, but their lyrics ain't got no meaning. If we...
Hold on. Come back. Hey yo, Central C just dropped one of the hottest album of the year. That's my opinion. You can like it, you don't have to like it. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. We're gonna jump into his new song, one of his new songs. It's called No Introduction. I heard a piece of it, and I think it's hard. But we're gonna listen to the entire thing today. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget, if we pause the video every 10 to 17 seconds, it's because we don't want to get copyright or anything gets picked up on YouTube radar for us to be blocked in some regions. So that's the reason why. So please forgive me if I constantly stop it every 10 seconds.
No introduction needed, but girls still ask what my name is, trying to pretend they don't know who C is. Like anytime I get on that mic, it don't...
Like whenever I get on a mic, it don't cover 100 regions. Now, this is where it's just like going in.
Cover 100 regions. Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asian, Indonesian. Spitting on beats and using similes, but their lyrics ain't got no meaning. If we...
Hold on. Come back right here. Right here. Nah, right here. Right here. Listen to this.
Over 100 regions. Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asian, Indonesian. Spitting on beats and using similes, but their lyrics ain't got no meaning. If we see blue light...
Tell me that shit ain't tough. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Something that is cops, we're not gonna stop, we're breezing. Lock the lock, it won't stop us scheming. I lost F dot and it got me grieving. Posted by the convenience store with a pack of the raw, so it's not convenient. I wanna live a simplistic
life. Here it is.
Life, but that's unrealistic, right? I miss the times. 2-man step, take one for the team and assist my guy. God ain't give me the gift to write. Won't lie, I've been on a consistent grind. When I was broke, they didn't want talk, now I make...
Hands down, probably one of the baddest verse on this freaking album.
They want me to give advice. Me and YB's in matching roses. Step out the store with 2 new collies. Step in the room and they feel my aura. That was before I had music money. I came up with the bros, I post.
Step in the room and they felt my aura. That was before I had music money. That's the type of aura I'm trying to have.
Throwback and the whole crew look bummy. Before man snaked me, I already saw it coming. I clocked he was moving funny. No introduction needed, but girls still ask what my name is, trying to pretend they don't know who C is. Like...
Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Like anytime I get on that mic, it don't cover 100 regions. Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asia. Sounds like an M16 when the engine starts.
Sound like an M16 when the engine starts. Gotta be a Lambo or Ferrari.
Think of the shit, bitch. Turning a whip, does your engine fart? 2 left feet and I don't have rhythm, but my chain and my pendant dance. Life when you live in the ends is hard. The things that I see make me question God. Alright.
That was tough.
I'm feeling pain, but I can't complain. My life was harder before the fame. Lost some people along the way, and I miss them bad when I contemplate. Shoot my shot and it's wet like Steph, but I don't.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. This part is hard.
Play for the Golden State. It's bait that my bro got a poker tucked. He can't even put on a poker face. What are these jokers on? They keep sending, but I don't respond. The big dot ain't little like dirt. It's OT.
The only rappers in the UK that I think has the guts to spit like Central C is Dave and Stormzy and Abracadabra. I'm sorry. If you got somebody else you think in mind, drop it down below in the comment section. I would love to hear, because I know all them dudes and nobody's spitting like Dave, Central C, or Stormzy and Abracadabra. I'm sorry.
Like long live one. The UK's not what you see on films. Bros on the block with the longest one. Definitely hollows or fly at the chamber. Bro try poke and hunt this done. I hear them talking, seeing the tweets I'm seeing.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
A forum, seeing them mention everyone else but me, like say that I'm not important. All of the music I make in America's making it easier for them. First half of the year done 100 shows, you can see I've been touring.
My man telling the truth. Cause since Central C came on the that freestyle, I forgot what it is, but since he came on that freestyle, a lot of people been looking into, especially the younger folks, been looking into the UK drill music scene. I ain't gonna lie. So he's spitting facts right there. All the moves he's making in America is making a way for y'all dudes, bro. Like dead ass serious.
If it weren't for the work that I put in Paris, none of these guys would have gone to Europe. The codeine mixing up with the Fenny, I fall asleep when I sip on syrup. Look in my eyes and see I've been through it. Come straight off a plane, get straight back to it.
I ain't gonna lie, my man shitting on y'all, bro.
You ask what my name is, tryna
Big facts.
pretend she don't know that I'm famous, I already knew it.
Alright, yo, that's the end of the song. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The album is fire. Y'all should check it out. It's called Can't Rush Greatness. Please give it a listen. Go on Spotify, Apple Music, whatever you have. Go stream my boy Central C new album, yo. All the tracks are fire. All the tracks. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I give it a 10 out of 10. Undeniable. And it's inevitable. That's what it was gonna get. So like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.